It's 7:30. It's 7:30. No, it's actually like 7:10. Yeah, but I woke up. I fell asleep. I fell asleep. Uh-huh. Yeah, baby. That's a miracle of alcohol. It lets you fall asleep. And now it's another glorious day of work. Let's do it. Let me explain the miracle of life. The Trinity. First was Pop Pop. And then Pop Pop had a son. No one knows who the son was. There's Bitsy. Then there's a Woogie. There's a Woogie. There's a Woogie. That's the triangle. I don't know how that really like fits together, but there's 3 parts, so it's a triangle. Like, yeah, that's triangle. And that's the Trinity. Don't mess it up with the other Trinity. This one's for real though.